Hi. Okay, so I've been kind of sick with food poisoning, so we'll see how this goes. But I've been wanting to get it started for a little while, so I was thinking for this video that I would really just go over a couple basics about the GRE that really most likely you know, and then I would probably go over a couple of really basic things about math. My name's Alicia, and I'm studying currently for both the GRE and the GRE in literature. My dream school is University of Chicago. I'm a double major in philosophy and literature, and I really want to study literary theory, why we read, why literature is important, and so on. So I've always been more of a words person, even though I actually used to be pre-med. Since I've been studying for the GRE, I've been kind of procrastinating the math section because I like words and vocab and stuff so much more. So I was thinking that maybe together we could kind of get motivated for the math section if you're like me. Alright, so as you probably already know, the GRE is a CAT, or a computer adaptive test, which means that it narrows down your score by asking you questions, and if you get them wrong, it gives you an easier one and lowers your score accordingly, and if you get it right, it raises your score a little bit and gives you a harder question. So this irks me a little bit, I'm not going to lie, because it means that nobody is taking the same test, which I think is funny because obviously the GRE, like the SAT, is supposed to be a test that tests your ability to get into graduate school. That is, it's supposed to be similar or objective across the board. Clearly it's not. Nobody is taking the same test. But what can you do? Anyway, why this is important to us, besides that fact, is because we need to focus more on the questions at the beginning, because the margins by which they change your score are larger at the beginning than at the end. That is, they're going to be narrowing down your score a little bit at the end, but at the beginning it's going to be changing quite a bit. Okay, so if you have to guess right at the beginning, say they give you a geometry question right at the beginning and you just don't know geometry. I hate geometry, always have. I'm going to try to change that, but we'll see. And you have to guess. Try to make an educated guess if you can, but maybe you think that you really got it wrong. Then on the question after that, really try hard. Give it a little extra time if you have to do well. Because if you get several wrong in a row, then chances are that your score will plunge. And it's better to have it go down a little bit and then get the next question correct so that you can compensate for the amount that it came down. Okay, so next thing that I wanted to explain was that the exam also